Welcome back. If you don't watch the first video, go watch it so you can have the same template and start like we did. Today we are creating the folder structure which we are using for this project. So first we delete the public folder, we don't need that. And we delete the readme.md content, but don't delete the file, we need it later. Then we delete the things in the assets folder, but keep the folder, we also need that one. Then in the app.css you can delete the whole file, we don't need that one. Then in the index.css delete everything besides the first two lines with the tailwindcss import and the daisyui. And save that one. And then the app.jsx content, we also don't need anything from that, and we also have to delete the imports on top, because they will give you an error. Then we can also delete the useState hook, and then we can look if it works by adding some text. As you can see, the text is being rendered on the web page, and now we have to look if tailwindcss is working. So we add a class name to the div, and we can just make the text red by typing text -red -500. Save that, and you can see the text is red. So tailwindcss is working, but daisyui is an extra part, so we have to look if that is working, and we can just make that by removing the class name from the div and deleting the p tag, and instead adding a button. We can add like some website, and in the button we also, the same as with using Tailwind, we are adding a class name, and then we are using some default CSS classes from daisyui, and we can just type in button btn and save it, and now you can see we have a styled button with some hover effect and some border. So this is for this video.